I'm currently in the library. Just gonna write this to Miss Washington. See, there they go. See, Miss Washington, what I'm trying to get all of you to understand is I am very aware of all upcoming plans, previous plans, and plans being destroyed in the present. I don't like the word contractor because that's also part of their upcoming plan, which hypothesizes a secretly emergent totalitarian world government. Many influential figures have therefore been alleged to be part of a cabal that operates through many front organizations to orchestrate significant political and financial events, ranging from causing systemic crisis to pushing through controversial policies at both national and international levels as steps in an ongoing plot to achieve world domination. They fell in terribly. They have been operating through Skull and Bones Contract Society, also known as 322, Order 22, The Order, and many other names, and also their allies of cartels. I ain't done yet, but yeah, I'm just getting started. Peace, light, love, darkness to all.